lễ sầu chỉ tao lên trời mong.
I got a big fish on the All right, Chow, what's going on, man?
All right, so you guys, we're here at Oxford Dam, taking my brothers, and they came to visit me here in Oxford Dam. So
in North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Yeah.
So I'm taking out for striper fishing. So let's go try if there's any luck out there.
Let's go. All right, guys, welcome back to Outdoor Habits. I am in North Carolina. Today, we will be chasing after stripers, possibly some shell crackers, giant bluegills, but I have never caught a striper or a hybrid in my life, so this is going to be my first time. But Chow, my brother, he lives here, and I'm just so fortunate to be out here with him today, and we're just gonna have some fun. It's hot right now. It's like 83 degrees. It usually gets hot here in North Carolina, but we are lucky today that it's not too bad. And I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do, but I'm just gonna, you know, follow my brother, and he's really gonna be my guide and lead the way, and hopefully we get on a striper for you to see. So stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get to fishing. I got the Crocs on for good luck. Crazy rocks, and up ahead of me is the dam. And like Chow said, when they open up these little generators, then that's when the stripers will come here. So stripers are stocked here, and they're here year round. And I am excited to catch one. I don't care if it's a 12-inch or a 30-inch. I'll take something because we won't be here for long. But the goal is to try to catch some stripers. Let's get it going, man. I can't wait. I'm excited, dude. I cannot wait. So as you can see, guys, I have no hat on, but whatever, I don't care. We're gonna do some fishing. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get ourselves some striper, maybe even some spotted bass. They got spotted bass here, but primarily striper here at this specific dam. And my brother, he knows what he's doing, so we're gonna mainly rely on him, and we're just gonna use a lot of his tackle and see if we can get something on. I can't wait. This place is beautiful. Look at you guys. Don't look at me. Look at the dam right there. Beautiful dam right there. Huge. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's see what we gotta do. I'm going to Chow. Chow's up there. You catch anything, bro? No? Yeah. Dang, this place is awesome, dude. All these giant rocks. I feel like I'm scouting for a deer, but let's see if I can ninja my way around these giant boulders. And you definitely don't want to fall in there, dude. If you fall in there, you are done. So don't bring kids around here, especially over by the dam. Super sketchy, but we're gonna risk it. Anything for fishing, right? So I'm gonna try to follow Chow here. I don't know how he got over here so fast. It's like a ninja, but he's gonna show the way. See if we can make it happen. Chow, is this perfect condition, dude?
Yeah, it is perfect.
All right. Oh my God. And that's the kind of lure they use around here, dude. Giant flukes. And here, there's a lot of shad. And the striper here primarily eats shad. But Chow's gonna get us rigged up, and then let's see if we can get it on cam for you guys to see, man.
You want to throw that out?
Oh, it looks so cool. All right, well, I'm using Chow's Corrado here, his bait caster. What is this, Chow? 20-pound line here?
15 pound.
15, 20-pound floral here, and Chow's recommending like a little spoon here, mimicking shad. Chartreuse is the go-to color, he said here, so I'm gonna whip this out there and just kind of let it drip, yo-yo back and forth. Hopefully I don't get snagged. Chow said this is Snag City, so I will do my best. This is gonna be my first time, guys. I'm gonna whip this out there, and then basically I'm gonna try to whip it this way, let it drift, And then usually Chow said that the stripers are kind of more after this little bubbly area, right? So you want to let it drip, let it sink, because it's deep here. So you want to be careful. You don't want to fall in here too. There's a lot of big giant rocks. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but let me see if I can zoom in. So I could probably zoom in here, guys. Let me zoom in with my camera as far as I can go, but you can see rocks. These are giant, like these little giant rocks that are sticking out. These are really big rocks where you can literally stand on top of them and fish with them. And my brother, he brings his kayak out here, and he do try to, he catch fish that way, bring the kayak fishing from the other side. Much easier, but since we don't have a kayak, we're gonna fish off the shore here. And this is the killer spot, the go-to spot here. So we're gonna cast it out there and then let it drift and see if it's gonna mimic a shad and get some striper on, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna get really excited if I get something on. Oh my God, it's not even going out there. Loosen up, yo. Let me get this dialed in, and then we'll get back to fishing. Yeah, Charles said this is like 50 feet deep right here, so we're gonna let the spoon drift and then just kind of pop it. Oh. In early mornings where you want to throw a popper, man, that's when they're super active. After shads and bluegill and stuff. Guys, we're on. I am on a big fish, dude.
Careful.
Yeah, careful. Oh, dude. I got a big fish on, dude. Holy crap. Yeah. Dude, guys, I am on. It's only been like 20 minutes. And I'm on. Dude, on a spoon, guys. Oh my gosh, it's strong as heck. I got a little 7-footer beat caster. Dude, it's big. Yeah, start. Dude, Candy, I'm on, Candy. Yeah, on the big spoon. Oh, dude, it's strong. Oh my God. Dude. Yeah, man. Yeah, I loosened up, man. Dang.
Don't loosen it yet.
Holy crap. That was awesome, dude. That was a nice striper, man. Oh, dude, the hook flex. No way. Dude, guys, the hook flex. Holy crap.
I have to change out the hook.
Yeah. Might have to change it to a better hook, guys. Stronger hook, stouty hook. Guys, just right after me. Chow's on. Spoon.
Yep, spoon.
Chow's on a spoon, guys. All right, let's see how Chow do it. He's gonna teach me how to really fight this fish.
Pressure.
Yeah, keep pressure. Oh, let's go.
What is that?
What is that?
What's a captain? Oh, a captain, dude.
The channel?
Yeah, a captain.
Oh, the channel on a spoon, guys. Oh, it might be a catfish too then.
No, you got a captain. It wouldn't be
Yeah, like that, y'all.
Yeah, it wouldn't fly like that.
So I got a catfish guy. First fish of the day, dude. Not a striper, but
Not a striper, but
still fun, dude. All right, guys, we'll get back to fishing. I'll try to let this guy go. All right, Kendy's on. Keep pressure, right? Oh, let's go. Kendy got something. Guys, Kendy got something. Yep. Let's go, Kendy. Let's go. Hey, so hold this. Let's go, Kendy. Oh, man. Let's go, Kendy. Oh, shit.
Yes.
Yeah, Kenny, high five, bro. Hey, bro, high five, dude. You're living. Oh, Kenny.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, come on, show the cam, guys. Kenny's first striper, dude. What is this, 19, 20? Dude, Kennedy's first striper, bro, on the fluke. That's freaking awesome, Kennedy. Hey, let's take a picture for the boys. All right, Kennedy's gonna measure his fish, guys. Good job, Kennedy. My little brother did it. You wanna pinch it? Pinch the tail? Or... Yeah, Charles, keep it, Charles. You wanna come look?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's 22. 22, 21.
Hell yeah, that's a keeper, dude.
That's a keeper, guys. My guy got the crappiest measuring tape ever.
I got my bum board, but it's at home.
All right.
You're off. You're way off.
Yeah, it's 20. Yeah, it's 22, bro.
22.
Yeah. Hey, Candy, let's do it, bro. Good job, bro. Yeah, we can keep it though. Let's just bleed it.
No stringer. I ain't got no stringer though. Yeah.
Dang. To turn off the turbulence. Ah, at least I got my spook back, guys. It's getting late. They turn on the turbulence. Okay. All right. Guys, now you guys can see they closed the dam a little bit, and I'm gonna try to zoom in. See all those rocks are sticking out. Before they're all covered by the water because they let the dam out, but now the water has definitely gone down and all these giant rocks are in there. But the stripers, they like to kind of sit along those big rocks. So let's see if we can catch any more. The dead shut a little bit of the dam, and this is all we got left for the wave, the current. So we're gonna try to see if we can catch any striper later this evening. There's a lot of people out here too. That was cool though. It was a good experience to see Kennedy land his fish, so I'm happy for him. But it's getting late and we're gonna have to head out. It's about an hour drive back to our place. But it was nice to be out here in North Carolina. I'm glad you're able to join me. So we're definitely gonna come back, man. I gotta land me my striper and some hybrid, so can't wait to come back for real. It was pretty cool. We don't really have the right setup for striper fishing here, but this is all Chow had, and so we just gotta use what we have. And we were able to catch fish, just couldn't land it because this rod is just too small for this type of fishing. Definitely gonna need some heavy gear rods and reel that are meant for big fish like striper here. But since the water's going down, I think this will be it. Kennedy got to grab his fish. We got no strain, so he put on a 50-pound line here. Nice. They're like the white bass, but they're longer. Yeah, it's so cool, Kennedy. Oh, look at Chow, man. He's working out, guys. All right, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Let's go. We're gonna have to come back for sure. Are those a hurricane here?
Yep.
Oh, jeez.
So before it was never like this.
Yeah, yeah. That is crazy, dude. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at all this pier and docks and wood.
So it used to be all rock piles.
But the hurricane, huh?
Yeah, the hurricane took it all out.
That is crazy, man. All right, show how it's done, man.
All right, so we're gonna coat it, and we're just gonna put it in the oven and bake it. We're gonna coat it with all this salt so that it can
absorb all the moist and all that.
Yeah. To keep all the moist in here.
Yeah, we're not even gonna gut it, dude.
Yep, no gutting. Just straight up.
So basically, the meat is gonna get cooked inside the scale and the skin of the fish, and we're just gonna eat the meat. It's gonna peel off the skin, and the salt is gonna draw all the moisture out.
Yep.
That's basically it. So it's that simple.
It's that simple. It's better if you do it on the grill.
Yeah. But this will be the fastest way.
Yep. The fastest way to do this.
I'm gonna get you finally try some striper, right?
Yep, striper. Just coat the whole thing.
Just throw it in the oven.
Yep, throw it in the oven.
See how it tastes like, man. I'm so excited, dude.
All right.
All right.
I'll coat it.
Fish is ready, guys.
All right,
open this
so
up.
this is how it looks like. So all you have to do is just kind of peel off these skins.
If you want to know how a fish truly tastes like,
yep, this is all you have to do.
want to do. You just want to add some salt to draw out the moisture, and then obviously don't puncture the gut. The gut's still in there, but it stays in here. We're just gonna peel the skin, the scale off from the back of the fish, and then just eat the white meat underneath. And it's gonna add some flavor. We're gonna get a little bit of salt.
Oh, I've been using the wrong side.
Some of these salt that are on the scale and the skin on top is gonna fall onto the meat, and we're just gonna pick at the white meat.
Yeah. And these fish have some pretty tough scales.
Yeah. And Candy will be the first one. It's mighty hot. Look at that, dude. Look at the meat, bro. Holy crap, look at the meat.
Yep, it's real structured.
Dude, look at that. Ooh. Yeah,
One? Yeah, you can have
you
one.
definitely can, but Kennedy, yeah, we gotta let it cool down. Uncle Kennedy get the first bite because he caught this fish, man.
See this
Look
skin?
at that, dude. Yep, you can. Everybody can eat this. It's for everybody. Yeah, that's Uncle Kennedy called a giant striper. Bro, look at the meat, dude. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Alright, Kennedy, dude, what the fuck Kennedy, man? Look at that. Child is removing the scale. Look at the juicy fresh meat here.
Here we go.
Untouched. Alright, Kennedy, you do the honor, man. You caught the fish.
Right here.
Got the back strap. Oh, right there, Kennedy, yep.
Careful, it's gonna be hot.
What it tastes like, man? It tastes like spaghetti or?
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Let's go, dude.
There you go.
Alright, first time. There you go. First time eating striper. Shout out to Kennedy for hooking us up with the striper and chow. So chow too.
Good.
The salt falls into the meat.
Perfect.
Dude, this tastes actually different from white bass, bro.
Yeah.
Second bite. And then it's a wrap after this.
How many? Yeah, how's that?
Bro, it is delicious. Hold on, close. Alright. Fresh protein in here. Striper. We're coming back, man. Can't wait to get back.
It's good.
Catch some more stripers. Oh, yeah.
Hmm?
Good job.
Sweet.
Kevin.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, right. Protein. Try this, bro. Yeah.
It's just melting in your mouth.
Let's go, man. Striper. Fresh out of the river.